This is Tom with Acorn Ponds and Waterfalls, Rochester, New York. Just got done building this fish pond. It's got a little waterfall, flows into the stream, drops into the pond. Few leftover rocks the homeowner's going to use. Water's a little bit murky. We just started it. A couple days we'll be able to see right down to the bottom. As you can see, the homeowner has a great view from their kitchen window and their dining room window. We're going to come back and put a patio in that area. This is a certified wildlife habitat. You can see out there they have a sign. Originally, the homeowner wanted to have the pond way in that back corner back there. I told them not going to be able to see it that good, and they agreed. We put the pond right here. Well, that's it for now.